Hey y'all, what's up? This Chanel. Look at that. I'm getting paid again. Look at that. $70.32. I am about to cash out. So before I cash out, let me tell you what I did. So here, right here, it says $65. So I was $65, right? And what I did was I downloaded an app. I deposited $26 inside this app. So that $26 that I deposited inside the app, I earned $65. So I earned my $26 back plus an additional, what's that? What's an additional, additional money? Let's just say that, okay? You can do the math yourself, all right? So let's say 25, that would be $30. Additional $30. Okay. Additional $40. Let's correct that. Additional $40. I earn additional $40 on top of my. Oh no, I said $26, right? Yeah, I did say $26. So that's $30. $39. $39. I'm calculating in my head. So 65, take away 26. Yeah, $39. Yep, $39. Okay. Just want to make sure. So the app that I actually downloaded is, let's see, I can come here, go to apps, and I'm about to cash out in this video, show you guys. The app may not be in here right now. I should be able to Google, well not Google, search the app here. And let's see, it's called Upgrade. It's called Upgrade. Here it is. Okay, so there's the one right here. It says earn cash back with Upgrade, $65 cash back. Okay. So, this app says offer details. Earn cash back for purchases with your reward checkout debit card. No ATM fee, no account fee, no monthly fee or annual fees, no transfer fees, no overdraft fees, plus earn cash back after you deposit your first $25. But I deposit $26 in here. Okay. And let's see here. You can only complete the offers once. Okay. So again, you have to deposit the amount that they tell you to deposit in order to earn your cash back. And you have to deposit that within right here, like within 30 days of you downloading and upgrading that app. Now, in order to upgrade the app, you have to get approved, you have to get verified by Upgrade Rewards themselves and so forth. But anyhow, let's carry on. I'm going to now withdraw this money out. Now you have to stay active, okay, in order for you to receive that money, because they're going to verify and make sure you are active. In order to be and stay active, if you don't do anything else, what you want to do is click on that envelope tab, and you want to click on any one of those, and you want to confirm that paid email. Okay, if you don't do anything else with with the website here, you have to stay an active member by completing a task. Okay, so here it's going to request a cash out. So the minimum cash out is for Amazon $10, for American Airlines $500, starting at $500 and so forth. These are different payment methods that you can receive payments in. Um, I always like to do PayPal because I can pay my bills with it. Whatever the case, I can buy whatever I want, whatever the case may be. So I am going to withdraw my $70 out of here. So by I'm having to select either 10 to 15, 30 or 40 or $50 or $100 out of here, and I have 70. I'm gonna do 50 now. Then right after I do that 50, I'm gonna do the rest of it in tens. All right. So here we go. Confirm. All right. So now I'm gonna congratulations on your redemption. $50 cash back has been deducted from your account. For the processing, we are currently processing your order. You will be notified via email. The notification was the email. They sent it to me in email right now when your order is ready. Okay, so you're gonna get your payout within, I want to say, 2 to 3 business days. Okay, so be ready to earn more cash and check out. All right, so let's go back up here and we're gonna hit request payout. Gonna go back down here. We're gonna do $10. And you have to be a United States candidate in order to participate in this platform. The website I provide in the bottom description of this YouTube video, or if you're looking on any other social media platform, you can find the link above or below the video to sign up. So I'm gonna finish get the other $10 out of there, and let me go back. $10. All right, there it is, $10. So the good thing about this, you can withdraw multiple times out of here within a day, as long as you have that minimum $10. Okay. Oh, okay. So that was what, 2 withdrawals. So later on, the next following day, I can do another withdrawal. All right, cool. All right, cool. Because I've only done 2 before, I'm sure. Okay, so then the $10 I'm gonna do tomorrow and so forth. All right. So I'll check you guys later. Hope you like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and boop. I'll see you guys later. Share with your people. Get your referral link. Get your referral link. Invite your friends and people. So I do this to share with my friends, to show my friends how they too can earn here very fast. So you invite your friends, you're going to get 30% of their lifetime earnings when they are active on this platform as well. All right. And when they start cashing out and all that good stuff. I've had people on my team that have cashed out, and I know they're still cashing out. So if you are cashing out and have cashed out before, this video is for you. All right. And I'll get your copy your link, share with your people. Talk to you later.